Hello traders, FS Pipcoletti here. Today is Tuesday, March 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think that we're in a wave C right now. I still believe that this is going to eventually end up continuing the uptrend, making this wave C pattern probably all the way up to about the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A projected off the bottom of this correction, which I think is a wave B, and I do believe this move up is all part of a wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely got a few ABCs. That looks like an ABC. This right here definitely looks like an ABC. It is making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows the whole way up. I think there's a good chance this low right here will hold, and it will continue to make those higher lows, working its way up, making that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can definitely see what looks like an ABC right here. It definitely went down to the 78% and gave a good bounce. Now, I don't really see any confirmation that this move is actually over yet, but if that is the end of an ABC correction, then it should end up continuing the uptrend, making them higher highs and higher lows. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame, take a closer look at that. So on the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looked like an ABC correction, but then it made three waves up, almost like a wave D maybe, and then it made another move down, maybe a wave E. Now, if this is like an ABCDE, then this probably is going to work its way up. It probably is going to take out this structure and most likely end up continuing the uptrend. Now, until it actually does go up and take out some structure, I do have my Fibonacci on here because if it does make three waves up and making a pulse move down at one of these two Fibonacci levels, then I'm actually going to take that as an end of a correction and go short for the continuation of the downtrend, since we don't have any confirmation that anything is actually over yet. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I could definitely see this possibly being an A, this right here being three waves down for a B, and then it go up and make a wave C. So if it does go up and make a wave C, it's probably going to bounce off to 78%, making a positive move down, take out a bunch of structure, proving that it is the wave C and that it's actually going to end up making another push to the downside. Now, on the other hand, if it does go up and if it does take out this structure right here, that would tell me on the longer time frames that that really is over. Maybe it is the end of like a wave E, and that we are actually going to end up continuing the uptrend. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, then at the first pullback is where I'm going to be looking to go long for what should be at that point the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.